we will show you how to use our calculator to estimate the amount of compensation you might receive if you have been infected by contaminated blood. For this walkthrough, we're using the example of a person living with Hepatitis C, who is registered with an existing infected blood support scheme. Before you start using the calculator, you will need the following information: personal details such as date of birth and sex at birth, details about the infection such as infection type, year of infection and year of diagnosis, information about any conditions or treatments needed due to Hepatitis B and C, payment amounts for any interim compensation, settlements or support scheme payments. It's important to have all of this information ready before you start using the calculator, as you cannot save and return to the calculation. Let's get started. To start using the calculator, click the Start Now button. Confirm you are the infected person by selecting Yes. Click Continue and you will then be shown more information about who can currently use the calculator. If this does not apply to you, we cannot estimate your calculation right now, but will develop it for future groups soon. Click Continue if the information is applicable to you. Don't worry if you don't have all the information, you'll be able to tell us in the calculator if you don't know. The next question will ask you for your date of birth. We need to know this to work out how long a healthy person your age would be expected to live. This will be used to work out your care award and financial loss award. In this example, the date of birth is the 13th of August 1960. Click Continue and enter what your sex at birth was. We need to know this to work out how long a healthy person would be expected to live. This will be different depending on if you are male or female. This will be used to work out your financial loss award. In this example, female has been selected. Click Continue. Next, we will ask about the infection type, year of infection, and year of diagnosis. We will use this information to calculate your awards. Please select Yes or No to confirm your infection types. For this example, we are selecting No to respond to the questions about an HIV infection. We are selecting No to respond to the question about Hepatitis B infection. We are selecting Yes to respond to the question about Hepatitis C infection. The next question asks if the year of infection is known. In this example, we are selecting I know the exact year. Click Continue and then enter the year. In this example, the person's year of infection is 1983. If you select I know the approximate year or I'm not sure what year I was infected, you will be asked to provide an approximate year of infection. The next question asks if the year of diagnosis is known. This may be the same year as the year of infection or it may be later. We need to know the year of diagnosis to work out the impact on your ability to work. In this example, we are selecting I know the exact year. Click Continue and enter the year. In this example, the person was diagnosed in 1995. If you select I know the approximate year, I know the year but I was not told about my diagnosis until a later date, or I'm not sure what year I was diagnosed, you will be asked to provide an approximate year of diagnosis or approximate year your infection was identified. Click Continue. In this example, the person is asked whether they had Hepatitis C for more than 6 months. You will be asked for different information depending on your infection type. This information will be used to work out your care award and financial loss award. In this example, the person has answered yes. Now click Continue. In this example, the person is asked to confirm whether they have any of these conditions: cirrhosis, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, type 2 or 3 of cryoglobular anemia. We need to know the year the infection severity changed to work out the impact on your ability to work and how long care might be needed. This information will be used to work out your care award and financial loss award. In this example, the person has selected No. If you choose Yes, you will be asked for more information about when the symptoms first started. Now click Continue. Next, you will be asked if any of these conditions or treatments were needed: decompensated cirrhosis, need for multiple rounds of non-Hodgkin's lymphoma treatment, liver cancer, need for a liver transplant. These may indicate a change in the severity of infection, and we will use this information to calculate your care award and financial loss award. In this example, the person has selected no. If you choose yes, you will be asked for more information about when the symptoms first started. You will now be asked if you are registered with a support scheme. In this example, the person has selected yes. Now click continue. If you select yes, you will be asked how much you receive in support payments. We need to know this to understand how much financial support you already receive. We will use this to calculate the compensation adjusted payment option. In this example, the person has selected £1,908.75 per month. Now click continue. In the next question, you will be asked if you have received any interim compensation payments. We need to know about the interim payments to calculate how much compensation you have already received. This amount will be deducted from the financial compensation calculation. In this example, the person has already received 2 interim payments. Now click continue. You will then be asked if you have received any legal settlements or damages. In this example, the person has not. If you choose yes or not yet, you will then be asked for more information about this in the next question. Finally, before the compensation claim is estimated, you will be asked to check your answers and confirm they are correct. Click change if you need to make amendments to the answers. Once you're happy with your answers, click confirm to progress to the next step. In this example, the person is happy that the information they have provided is accurate. Before the estimated figure is shown, you must read and click I understand, see my estimate. This confirms you understand that the estimate is not an offer of compensation or part of a compensation claim. The estimate is based on the answers given and does not use medical or other records. The final compensation amount from IPCA may differ from the estimated figure. You will then be shown an estimate of your compensation claim. This is not a formal offer or part of a compensation claim. In this example, the person has registered with an existing support scheme and therefore a core award and an adjusted route, which means they would continue to receive support scheme payments. The estimate includes a breakdown of estimate and how the award has been calculated, and more information to help you understand the estimate and payment options. You can save or print this page using the 3 dots on the browser options. For more information, visit our website, sign up to receive our regular community emails, and follow us on Facebook and X.